God, guys, I'm about to give you a sneaky peek of the most amazing advent calendar I've ever seen. Okay, I'm just going to brace myself here. I was asked if I would like to review and show you guys this amazing advent calendar from Madame Glam. Now, the one thing I'm not allowed to do is I am not allowed to show you what's inside because it's a surprise, but I know what's inside. Okay, I don't know if you know, right, it's my birthday on the 1st of December, so I always get a really nice advent calendar, but this has beaten all the advent calendars I've ever had, including my gigantic Yankee Candle one that I've got for this year. So it's beautiful, it's holographic and matte and metallic, and it says on the back, if you're like us, you're only a morning person on December the 25th, and there's a good reason for it. 24 gifts to warm you up for Christmas, and on the 25th day, let there be light. Oh my days. Okay, I'm going to just peel back the cellophane. We're doing this together. Look how friggin' sparkly it is. I cannot just wait to get all these open and show you, but I can't show you yet, and it's killing me. All I can say is, it is well worth it. That's all I'm going to say. Oh my God. Right, look at this beautiful ribbon on the side. It's just, I feel like no expense has been spared and every detail has been thoroughly thought out to make this super special. And after the crap year we've had, this really is, I mean, look at it. When I opened it, I was like, look, if I wasn't getting over COVID and full of snot and looking like a mess, I would have shown you my face, but you don't need to see that right now. All these beautiful boxes. I love the way they're all muddled up, so you've got to search for the one. And it says on the left-hand side, oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the calendar is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let us paint, let us cure, let us glow. I love it. Obviously, it's not just gel. Please don't think these are just nail gels in here. There is a lot more, like, oh my God. So I'm so excited. I feel like I can't get my breath. I'm like, I will be including these throughout December in my Advent challenge that I've given myself. I don't know why I've done it to myself. I'm going to give you a little sneaky peek of a box, but I'm not showing you what's inside. But look at the size of that. That's just one of them. Look at it. It's so beautifully put together. It just feels such good quality. And I'm just so excited. I can't wait for you guys to see what's inside this. Let me know if you've got one. We can share it together and like open it and squeal about it at the same time. I don't know. I'm going to seal it back up for now. Wrap it all up. I am going to start planning some designs. I am going to run this alongside my Yankee calendar because I've got a giant Yankee calendar to show you as well that I bought. So yeah, I'm really, really grateful for this. This is a real treat and I'm just so excited by it. It's so beautiful and sparkly and gorgeous and the contents are friggin' amazing. I'm going to shut up. I'm going to go and I will see you in my next video. Tally bye!